Welcome back, guys. Today is part 5 of the G82 build series. Today we're going to be installing a carbon lip sent out by Extreme Online Store. So they also sent me a full carbon side skirt, which we're going to be installing in the next video. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm actually going to be heading to Taz Auto Spa to do the install, so we're going to head out there now and then let's get started.
Depot on the beat.
The M4 is pretty dirty, so I'm just giving it a quick spray down before we install the lip. Right now we're going to be installing the Extreme Online Store lip. So all we got to do is jack up the car, then we should be good to go.
Since the moment he purchased it, and he's been snapping it every single.
Now that the car's jacked up, all we're going to do is remove the 8mm bolts underneath the front bumper. So pretty much the lip is just going to mount into those OEM placements.
Depot on the beat.
After you remove those 8mm bolts, all you're going to do is line up the centerpiece with the OEM placements of the bolts, and then you're just going to screw them back in. Now that we got the middle part installed, we're going to move on to the side pieces. For the side pieces, it's pretty much the same process. All we got to do is remove the 2 more 8mm bolts underneath, and then we're going to lay them on top and then screw them in the way they came out. After you have removed the 2 8mm bolts, all you're going to want to do is line it up, make sure everything fits right, and then you're going to pretty much hand tighten the 8mm bolts back into place, and then we're going to screw them back in. The nice thing about this lip is that it uses OEM fitment, so you don't need to worry about drilling any new holes in your bumper. Right here, I'm just hand tightening the second bolt, making sure everything fits correctly, and then we're going to properly tighten them. Here it is. I'm really happy with how it came out. The fitment is amazing, so thank you again, Extreme Online Store, for sending these out. If you guys want any other products, there's going to be a link in the description below. All we got to do now is lower the car and see how this thing looks aired out. I'm really happy with how the lip came out. I'm just going to pull the car outside so we can have a better look at it.